Please, mods, ban this guy. This is his username. This guy is flying. What the fuck? He turned off. Oh, mods, mods, please help me. Oh, please. If this is his name. Officially Zian Justin 15587. Bro, this is my rank up, bro. Bro, why? See, this guy's flying. Fuck you. Bro, what the hell? I want to cry. No, please ban this guy. He's flying. Do you guys hack for? Just play for it, just for fun. Terrorize someone. Like me. My rifle. I'm a survivor, I'm not a giver. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor, I'm not alone. That's why I can't find them at the first game. Bro, please ban this guy. So guys, bye bye.